Beryl, it has just landfall in Mexico as a dangerous Category 2 hurricane. The storm did actually intensify back to a Category 3 major hurricane. So it has barely weakened since then, and now in Mexico, and the course has shifted for the hurricane by a lot. It is now expected to landfall in Texas. See, that's landfalling in Texas right there, and the storm could possibly leave here. Oh, it's on. So but the 8 a.m. advisory did come out, and it's 100 miles per hour. So the storm could possibly come out. So NHC thinks that the storm will come out as a 60-mile-per-hour tropical storm, but it could possibly come out as a hurricane. So there are a lot of possibilities. So this hurricane landfall, as they're saying, is 85 miles per hour in Texas. That is like, it's unlikely. Like, it's likely, but like, there's a huge possibility that might not happen. Like, look at this cone of uncertainty, it's huge. So, in fact, like, even the wind speeds, that's like, the probability is super duper low. But, um, it could possibly still come out. And temperatures for the storm when it comes to the Gulf, they're good, very good in fact. 83, 82. So this storm could still intensify back to the hurricane, exactly like what the NHC are thinking. And the rainfall. Up to an inch of rain, it looks like. I think we read it right. Oh, yes, we do. Yeah, this is the storm radar. So you can see again that lots of rains. Some of the rains are actually in Cuba right now, but it's gonna be a big storm, so you're gonna have to get through it. You guys are just gonna get through it, and we'll see what happens. And now, what will happen after the storm leaves Mexico? So this is just a forecast model from the American model, but so like this is like it's not gonna go like too far, but see the storm is much more disorganized. But you can see it's kind of starting to get together again. Just trying to get back, and then this is where the energy thinks it's going to strengthen. Only slightly. And then you can see that the storm is getting back some of its high winds, and it is nearing the intensification to a hurricane. But you can see that this is like where it is in the from the American model, and like you can see how far back this was. So like it could go anywhere. They're probably predicting somewhere near Texas or Corpus Christi, or not Texas, sorry, Houston or Corpus Christi, but again, it can go anywhere. Okay, now let's look at the NHC official code. Okay, so there's only Beryl left, but let's check it out. So first, let's see the flood. So this is a flooding potential. So there is a 15% chance of flooding, and for Houston, Corpus Christi, San Antonio, all these areas. If you're outside of this, if you don't live in this yellow area, then you are safe. Or you're not safe, but like, you still have a 5% chance. Rainfall potential. So you can see that Brownsville, you're getting 6 to 8 inches of rain. Well, yeah, 6 to 8 inches of rain. Corpus Christi is getting 4 to 6 inches of rain. It's a lot of rain. It's gonna be a lot of rain. It's not gonna be fun, but Yeah, here's the international forecast. That's where 6 plus inches locally. Yeah, so this is also again like this is a lot of rain. 4 to 6 inches. This is a lot for most of you guys. For most of you guys in Mexico, that's all like a lot. That's a lot, you know. Here's the cons. They still do expect the storm to live up for another 7 days. But if you didn't know, this is sorry, 5 days. Um, so you can see that they've got it's going at 50 miles per hour, slow down, but it's gonna go up and then become a hurricane again. You can see a hurricane landfall right there in Texas. And here are some key messages. If you guys just want to pause the video and read them, you're welcome to do that. And then here is the wind field. So the wind field is obviously shrunken because it's on land, you know. But it's still there's a lot of winds. Wind speed probabilities. So you can see that you guys like in Texas you're gonna have so this is obviously this is a little before, but you can see that the probabilities are still there and you're probably gonna get it. Hurricane what's your probabilities? So these ones are much, much, much lower with less like predictions, so you see that there's only a 10% chance. There's I think yeah, 10%. We'll take a look at some imagery. So you can obviously see that the storm is falling off. It's not. It's hardly there. I'm gonna go to this. You can see that like the storm doesn't even look like a really storm anymore. It just looks like a bunch of clouds. It doesn't look like a hurricane. But here is water vapor. So when it does get in here, there will be some dry air, but it's still pretty moist. So the storm should last on. So okay. Well, that is all I have for you in this video. If you're on the track of the storm, make sure to be careful and be careful and be safe. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.